Arm down the center. Focus somewhere down there and make it go straight between both legs and inside your hand. Yeah, you think straight would be easy. Down the path we're going. So do it again and put them down to the center. Make them go as straight as possible. So you want to keep your legs even. You want to keep your body even between both